Hello everyone, I am going to share some Harry Potter collection with you. I don't have the whole collection, but I'm going to share what I do have with you. I love Harry Potter. I wouldn't say I'm like a fanatic, but I've definitely read all the books. I've seen all the movies, and I don't decorate with Harry Potter around my house year round, but I think it's fun like during Halloween to put these out. So I do have the Hogwarts warmer, and I've never opened this, so I'm going to open it now. This is a standard warmer. It's hand painted, and it comes with the 25-watt light bulb. So let's open this up. I would love to see it glowing. Look at that. It's pretty intense. You got the little Hedwig up here. You've got the whole Hogwarts. It's got like some metallic paints on it. It's really, really neat. All right, so let me get this plugged in. There's also a Hedwig warmer that's out and a Hedwig mini warmer that plugs in the wall like a nightlight. I do not have those, but they look really cool. So I'm just screwing in the light bulb here. This is the little dish that comes with it that you put your wax in. I'm not gonna put that in right now. See if I can get this plugged in. All right, so let's see if we can turn this light out. It's very beautiful when it's lit up. There's all these little stars in the sky and all the lights in the little windows. I know I'm still in the daylight, but I'm sure at nighttime when the lights are off, it will be stunning. All right, so that's the Hogwarts warmer. All right, and I have the Hogwarts House Scentsy wax collection. So when I got this, it was just the collection, but now you can get each bar individually, which is nice. So I have the whole box of all 4 Hogwarts houses, but you can buy each house individually now. So let's go through these. The first one is Ravenclaw. Wit and Wisdom. It's this beautiful blue color. So this is a woodsy fragrance family. It's suede, sandalwood, and smooth vanilla. Yes, I love these woodsy fragrances. They're a little bit more like masculine. The next one is Hufflepuff. Just and Loyal. It's this cute little yellow color. And this is from the Bakery fragrance family. So it's golden apple, whipped vanilla almond, and cinnamon sugar. Smells like apple pie. Yeah, that's fun. I like this. It's very fun fragrance. All right, so next is Slytherin. Cunning and Ambition. It's this green, fun green color. So it's a fruity fragrance. It's fresh oak moss, deep blackberry, and forest woods. That's nice. That's almost like a pine scent with the berry on it. So far this is my favorite. All right. And last but not least, House Gryffindor. Bravery and Determination. This is from the Spice fragrance family. So we see a lot of spice during the holidays. This one is Smoky Woods, Amber, and Cinnamon Leaf. I definitely smell the smoke. My mom's gonna love this one because she loves that campfire wax. Yeah, this is nice because it's got this smokiness, but then the amber kind of smooths it out. Very nice. I mean, I can see the personalities in all the different houses here. So that's a fun collection, and like I said, you can get them individually. You don't have to get all four. I just happen to have all four. Okay, so that's the house wax. And then the last thing I have from the collection is the Hedwig Scentsy Buddy. So let's see what he looks like. Okay, he's super cute. He's a little matted down, but. Okay, so here's Hedwig. Fluff him up a little. He has the Hogwarts letter in his talons, I guess. And it says Scentsy on the bottom. That's cute. So the Scentsy Buddies all have this little zipper in the back, and you can put a scent pack of your choice in here. There is a Harry Potter scent pack, or you can choose any scent pack that you like, and you just put it in there. Or if you have kids that might like this, but maybe not like the fragrance, you don't have to use it with a scent pack. So he's fluffy and soft. Oh, it's like a little corduroy under his wings too. All right, so that's our Harry Potter collection. There is more of the collection on the website. There's a golden snitch, like Scentsy Buddy. I think it's a buddy clip. It clips onto your backpack. And then, like I said, there's the Hedwig mini warmer and the standard Hedwig warmer. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.